Previously on All Things Apple, Nokia 1015 teardown. What's inside it? All things opened. This time on All Things Apple, Nokia 1015 drop test. Can it hold up? Let's get it on. Hey guys, All Things Apple here, and I'm going to be drop testing the Nokia 1015. The Nokia 1015 is a simple mobile phone made by Nokia. Starting us off the bat, we'll be doing a back drop, a side drop, a corner drop, and a front drop. Will it survive? Let's find out. Okay, enough with the gossip. Back drop coming in 3, 2, 1. Okay, so let's see the damage. So damage was already there, so that's the damage that got done. There's just like some nicks on this side. Let's do the side drop. Side drop coming in 3, 2, 1. Bonsai! That was a front drop, so we'll do it so it's not as aerodynamic. Do it so it's not as aerodynamic. And this phone does work, by the way. I made sure of that before I started the video. This is the same phone I did that teardown video on. And it did survive the teardown. You can see it's turning on there. You can see the Nokia logo. So side drop, we're going to have it land on the bottom. The startup chime. Okay, 3, 2, 1, bonsai. Okay, so we're still intact. Okay, and we're still working, I believe. Yep, we're still working. Corner drop in 3, 2, 1. That was dead on the corner. Okay. So let's put it all back in. And let's get it on. Front drop coming in 3, 2, oh god. 3, 2, 1. That was a fail. Okay, so 3, 2, 1. Okay, that was the front drop, and the battery didn't come out that time, so that's a good thing. Okay. Phone back in its thing, and now let's turn it on. And we're turning on. See that, guys? See that? I'll take you to a shadier spot so you can see it if you can't. You can see it's on. See you guys, so it's on. So, let's see the damage for the very last time. Okay, so we got that from the first drop. This from the failed corner, the failed side drop. All of the scratches on the back here, they were already there. We've got a dent there. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Oh, we've got some dents here. But the phone overall is still working. That means the logic board is still okay. You have been watching All Things Apple, and we have just about run out of time in this video, and this is All Things Apple, signing off. Next time on All Things Apple, Microsoft Lumia 435 teardown. What's inside it? See you then.